Here's how to create a happy birthday video. Step 1. Create a joyful animated intro. Go to InShot and create a blank clip. Adjust your desired aspect ratio. Then pick your favorite background from the InShot library. Now press sticker and add the free birthday sticker pack from the sticker store. Add as many stickers as you please and press edit to add an animation that you like. You can animate as many stickers as you please. Step 2. Decorate your favorite birthday memory. Adjust the duration to your liking. Then press PIP and add your favorite birthday memory. You can add a circular mask if you like, because round things are cute. Then add more birthday stickers around if you want. And here it is, a cheery video to commemorate your favorite birthday memory. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.